Hello and welcome to Time Rich Steps. Today we're going to talk about should I buy Tesla stock. But first I want to go over the markets, and I would also like to say thank you for taking out the time to listen to me and to go over these important things about cryptocurrency, stocks, and real estate. Okay, today the Dow the market was down today. The Dow Jones was down 187 points. The S&P 500 was down 12 points, and the Nasdaq was down 18 points. Okay, the market was down today due to the June jobs reports. The June jobs reports showed a slowdown in new jobs, and this rattled the markets because the markets do not know what the Fed is going to do. The Federal Reserve said that they're going to raise the rates in July. They did pause in June, and we didn't have a rate hike, but they said they're going to continue the rate hikes possibly in this month. So anytime the Fed raise rates, that rattles the markets because that makes everything more expensive. That makes borrowing money expensive, and that slows down commerce. It slows down businesses making decisions about what they want to do. Do they want to buy more inventory? Do they want to expand? So with that uncertainty in the market, a lot of people like to sell stocks. Okay. All right, let's talk about what's going on in the crypto world. Okay, so Bitcoin today, we're going to go with the 24-hour. It's up by 0.37%. Ethereum, the second leading cryptocurrency, is down by 0.16%. Binance, the Binance coin is down it's actually up by 0.25. XRP is down 0.18. Cardano is up 0.28. Dogecoin is down 0.89. Solana has been up for the last 2 days. It's up 5.23%. Okay? All right, let's get into this Tesla. All right, so right now Tesla is a $274 stock. Okay, today it was down $2.11, and in the after hours is up by 27 cents. Okay, in the last month, Tesla has reached $281.66. It's been down a little bit this week on some weakness, on a little weakness. Okay, all right. So okay, of course, Tesla is it's a technology stock, and it's a car maker. Okay, makes EVs. All right, the target for Tesla for this year, the 1 year target is $207.81. As you can see, it's already over that amount. Just because this is a target does not mean that a stock is just going to stop there when they get there and not move forward. It can go over this some hundreds of dollars, or it can go under it some hundreds of dollars. Okay, you have to look at the news. You have to look at different things that's going on. You have to do your research, and then you can decide based off of different type of metrics what you think the stock should be, where you think it should be. Okay. All right, let's look at some news when it comes down to Tesla. Okay, so right off the bat, I say yes, you should buy Tesla. Okay, because I think Tesla is the leader when it comes down to electric vehicles, and I think they're going to be the leader at least for the next 10 years. Okay, and that means that they're going to sell a lot of cars and they're going to make a lot of money. Okay, so it says EV sales. Hyundai, I meant to say, okay, overtakes GM. Okay, but Tesla U.S. dominance continues. Okay, so Tesla, when it comes to EVs, are number one in the U.S. EV car maker. Okay, and it's also number one in other markets as well. So this is something, they have. They started out, with Tesla. They have with EVs, and they have that. They have it down packed with what they need to do and where they want to go when it comes down to EVs. And Teslas are very nice looking cars. They have great technology inside them, and the battery is very good. And you can go quite some distances when it comes down to their battery, how far you can go on a charge, and they continue to increase the distances that you can go when it comes down to electric vehicles and the battery. Okay, all right, so other news: Tesla hits record global sales, June shipments in China top estimates. Okay, Tesla also is the number one EV car, and when it comes down to China. This headline doesn't say that, but that's something that I already know. Okay, Tesla outpaced its domestic and China delivery figures from last year as it reaches a record benchmark in global EV sales. All right. Okay, another thing, reason why you should pick the Tesla stock is because the charging station, the supercharging network that Tesla have, many car makers have decided to go with that standard. Okay, it was two different standards of ways that you can charge your EV vehicle, and the way that the supercharging network that Tesla has, everybody has chose. Well, many, the top car makers are choosing its network. Thus, that means that that is Tesla already have thousands and thousands of charging stations. So once again, if they choose their supercharging network to be the standard, that means that they have a head start with different locations already in America. And and it's probably going to go international as well when it comes down to probably choosing this standard. Okay, a way to charge electric vehicles. So Ford, GM, Mercedes, they're all choosing to use the Tesla's true supercharging network. Okay, so that's a huge, big win when it comes down to Tesla. Okay, so getting back to the question, should I buy Tesla? Tesla is a disruption stock, and it's not just an automobile. Tesla do other stuff. They have AI stuff that's going on. Of course, they have their their batteries that goes inside the house for electricity. So they got many other things going on. So it's not just a car company. And I believe the price is going to continue. I can see before the summer's over with that probably Tesla hit $300, and then it'll probably cool down, maybe even go down a little bit. And then by the time, November, December, at the end of the year, I can see this stock probably being $350. Okay? But, that's just my opinion. I do own Tesla, and I will continue to buy Tesla because it's one of the stocks that I think for the next 10 years probably going to do very, very well. It's disruption. It's taking out, gasoline cars and gasoline cars. This is not me, my opinion. This is just what the car companies have said. Many car companies said they're going to stop making gas dependent cars, so, and within the next 20 years. So it's going to end, and we might as well get ready, for the future. So, so buy this stock if you feel that you're comfortable and it's something that you like. Okay, this is just my opinion. So not financial advice. You need to consult your person that you choose to get financial advice from. Okay, well, I appreciate you taking your time out for me, listening to me. So please subscribe to the channel. Please share. Please like. Y'all have a wonderful day.